Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Gmail attachment failed error quickly and easily. If you've been having trouble uploading or downloading attachments in Gmail, don't worry, this simple fix usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by visiting mail.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Gmail account. Enter your email address, click Next, then type your password and click Next again. After signing in, you'll be back in your inbox and ready to begin troubleshooting. Now, here's the main reason this error happens. In most cases, Gmail attachment errors are caused by corrupted cache files or cookies stored in your browser. These files can interfere with Gmail's upload and download process. Thankfully, clearing your browser data usually fixes the issue right away. If you're using Google Chrome, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Browsing Data. A new window will appear. At the top, click Clear Browsing Data, then choose the time range. I recommend selecting All Time to completely remove any problematic data. Next, check these 2 boxes, Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. These are the most common causes of Gmail attachment problems. Once selected, click the Clear Data button. After the browser finishes clearing the data, close all browser tabs completely. Then reopen your browser. This step is important because it refreshes the browser and removes any leftover cached information. Now go back to mail.google.com and sign in again if needed. Try composing a new email or reopening the email thread where you had the attachment issue. Then upload or download the attachment again. In most cases, the problem should now be fixed. If you're still experiencing issues, here are a couple of additional fixes you can try. Disable browser extensions temporarily, open Gmail in incognito mode, or try using a different browser. Check your internet connection. Sometimes browser add-ons can conflict with Gmail and prevent attachments from working properly. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you fix the Gmail attachment failed error. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.